How to use Google Drive storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to use Google Drive storage. Let's begin. First thing first you need to go ahead and do is open up your web browser and access your Google Drive. Click on this apps menu. From the list, select Drive. Click on it. Once you are on your Drive, let's say if you want to upload some photos or videos, all you have to do here is just right click on it to create a new folder. Click on a new folder over here. You can rename this folder, so let me just quickly do videos for now. Create the folder, and to upload new files here, click on new, click on file upload. Now you can select any files that you want. So let me just quickly go ahead and find some files. I'll just select these videos for example. Now once you've selected your videos, just click on open. It's going to start uploading on your drive. Once everything is uploaded, you can easily share this folder with other people. For that, click on the drop down, click on share, click on copy link or share. I'll just click on share here, and you can add people just like so. Click on send, and you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can use your Google Drive storage. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.